What's up guys, it's Cody over at Form First Fitness. Just dropping another quick garage tutorial. Today we're going to talk about kettlebell takeaways. So a takeaway is technically the first portion of a kettlebell swing, but can be great to use on its own for some posterior chain activation. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in that start stance for a kettlebell swing, which means we're about a foot, 2 feet away from that kettlebell, behind that kettlebell, and then we are going to hinge at the hips, push those hips back, and drop that butt. Try to keep relatively vertical shins as we go through this. With those shoulder blades squeezed together in a nice tight, flat back, we're going to grab that kettlebell and we're going to put it on its end, okay? So it's going to be at a slight angle leaning towards you. And then from here, without moving the hips at all, you are going to throw that kettlebell back and then bring it forward for a nice light touch, okay? So one more time, drive it back, nice easy set in front. Drive it back, nice easy set in front. As you pull back, you should be throwing those hips back as much as possible, feeling most of the weight on your heels, and a nice tight contraction with those hips and hamstrings. So one more time, hips back, sit into it a little bit, squeeze those shoulder blades, put that kettlebell on its end, and then powerful and explosive, keeping that butt down and that back rigid the entire time. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.